Hi all. Welcome to bacareers. Business analysis for beginners. Hope all are doing well. In this video let us observe the elicitation techniques. Requirement elicitation techniques is a business analyst we need to understand the requirements clearly. To understand the requirements as a business analyst we need to use techniques to understand the requirements. Let us observe business analyst elicitation techniques. Elicitation is the process of digging out the information from the stakeholders. Requirements elicitation serves the foundation in documenting the requirements. Elicitation techniques let us see here below. Brainstorming, document analysis, focus groups, observation, workshop, JAD, joint application development, interview, prototyping, questionnaire, survey. Hope this video helped you to provide an overview on what are the elicitation techniques used by the business analyst. Let us discuss each elicitation technique in detail in coming videos. If I miss out anything, please mention in comments, so that it helps us to cover in coming videos. You can click on the link below to get more articles. Happy learning. All the best. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.